Showroom elevators at IKEA in Bloomington, Minnesota. They're also Minnesota's. And just like I do in Columbus and Westchester, I'm gonna get a cab view down, talk about the fixtures up, and then take the other one down for floor indicator and fixture cam, assuming we don't get interrupted. Emergency vent, innovation decorator fixtures, no smoking, 2,000 pound capacity, fire fixture operation, light, floor indicator, elevator license available in the facilities office, all of those IKEA solicitations, excuse me, and your directory. That sound good. And someone just got on that and wants we're actually going inside that side.